Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Want to make this fantastic custard chocolate cake? All you need is 250 grams of chocolate cake mix, 3 eggs, 30 millilitres of oil, 50 millilitres of milk whisked together in a mixing bowl. Pop that into a lined cake tin. Tap to spread and bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. In a pot, add 30 grams of corn flour, 200 grams of sugar, give it a mix and then add 200 millilitres of milk, 3 egg yolks and mix together. Turn up the heat and keep stirring until the mixture has thickened. Then turn the heat off, add 20 grams of butter and 10 grams of melted gelatin. Mix that all together and your custard is ready to pour on top of your chocolate cake. Smooth it out and refrigerate for 2 hours. Once set, you can slice it. Now we have 4 rectangular cakes. Time to pour the melted chocolate on top. Let those chill. And meanwhile, in a mixing bowl, add 250 millilitres of whipping cream and 20 grams of chocolate powder. Whisk those together until thickened. Pop that in a piping bag and pipe on to decorate your chocolate custard cakes. Adding a gold leaf for a finishing touch. And there you have it, custard chocolate cake. Delicious perfection. Enjoy your custard chocolate cake. Yum! Here we have 4 flavoured cheesecake, so if you can't decide which one you like best, why not give this a go? Start by mashing up 150 grams of crackers in a food bag. Digestive biscuits work equally well for this. Pour those into a mixing bowl. Pour in 50 millilitres of melted butter and give it a stir. With that mixture, you're going to line the bottom of the cake tin, spreading it out and pressing it down. Then create 4 divisions using crackers. Now for our cream cheese, 550 grams, we're going to whisk it up. Once smooth, add 150 grams of icing sugar. And pour in 600 grams of cream. And 25 grams of melted gelatin. Mix it all together. Now split that into 4 equal portions. To the first, add peanut butter. To the second, chocolate ganache. To the third, we're adding lemon curd and honey. And the fourth, we're going to leave as it is. Now form your segments. And to the plain cheesecake, we're adding some strawberry sauce and giving it a bit of a mix. Chill that for 2 hours, and once set, we can decorate using whipped cream around the edge, some lemon curd for that segment, and some fresh lemon slices. More cream and chocolate ganache for the next one, plus some Oreo cookies. Cream with caramel sauce for the third, and some crushed pistachios. And for the fourth, whipped cream and fresh strawberries. And there you have 4 different flavours in one cheesecake. Amazing! Look at this moist, flourless chocolate cake. What a touch of class. Start with a double boiler, adding in 120 grams of dark chocolate and 30 grams of unsalted butter. Mix it until it's all melted. Remove from the heat and mix in 30 millilitres of milk. Time to make the meringue mixture. For this we need 4 egg whites and 115 grams of sugar. Whisk them until they form stiff peaks. There. Now whisk together 4 egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour in your melted chocolate mix and combine. Next, we're going to spoon in the meringue mixture a bit at a time, folding it in with a spatula. Lightly spray a baking tray with some oil, and then pour in your mixture, spreading it out to the edges. Give it a tap and bake at 170 degrees for 25 minutes. Now your chocolate cake is ready, place it on a chopping board and paint on some chocolate syrup. This will keep the cake nice and moist. Pipe on chocolate whipped cream. Smooth it out. And add on another layer of chocolate cake. Then repeat the process with more chocolate syrup, more whipped cream, one more layer of cake, just smoothing it out finally. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Now let's make the chocolate glaze. We need 150 grams of sugar, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder, 85 millilitres of water and 85 millilitres of heavy cream. Whisk them together and then pour your chocolate glaze over the cake. Be sure to pour over a grid into a baking tray to catch the drippings. Now you just need to refrigerate that for a final 30 minutes and it's ready. Let's slice it into portions. And decorate with edible gold flakes, carefully placed. It's the small things that count. Make a little slit in each slice and stick in a white chocolate decoration. And there you have it, Flourless Moist Chocolate Cake. Very delicious.